Hi guys, this is Jason from Simple Cookery and today we're making beef udon. So to make beef udon we need some very simple ingredients. We got Dashi here as our soup base. We got some udon, which is your core ingredient, and we're gonna match the udon up with some beef today. And we're gonna marinate the beef with some soy sauce, sesame oil, sake, and mirin. And we're gonna pair the udon up with some shitake mushroom, and we're gonna garnish the dish off with some fish cake and some spring onions. So let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to marinate the beef. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sesame oil. So next I'm gonna do something fancy to the mushroom. We're gonna give it a nice cross cut. I see a lot of Japanese restaurants doing this just to give the mushroom a nice visual. So what you're gonna do is just cut a thin slice horizontally and then cut a thin slice out of the mushroom vertically, making it a cross. And then we're gonna move on to the garnish. It's pretty easy, just cut up your spring onions into little pieces and slice your fish cake. So next we're gonna make our soup base. Here we're using Dashi, but if you can't get Dashi, you could use stock instead. So just pour your Dashi into a small pot, put 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to give it a nice color. Bring it to boil. So you also want to be cooking your beef at the same time, so bring your pan up to medium heat, put in some oil, and put in your beef. You want to fry your beef until the redness goes away and the liquid from the marinade dries up, and then the beef will start to caramelize and giving a really nice color. For the udon, if you don't know how long to cook it for, look at the back of your udon packaging. And while the udon's cooking, we're also going to add in the mushrooms and the fish cake. So once everything's done, let's put it together.
Itadakimasu. That's amazing. It's all about the broth, eh?
Aye.
And then the meat, the flavor from the meat seeps into the soup.
Oh yeah.
And then it creates this really nice beefy flavor.
So if you do like this recipe, please press like and subscribe. In Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and cooking techniques to make you more confident in the kitchen. We out.
Oh, well done.